How to use HelloFresh application. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. I will tell you today how to use this. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you need to open your HelloFresh application. For example, I will open it again. And what's next? I will just come right now and go. This is, as you see, the shop page, and this is the explore, and here you will find your notifications, and here your profile page if you wanna edit. For example, here you can edit your personal information. Here you will find your recipes, for example previous recipes, and also your favorite recipes. Here your support. For example, if you have problem in this application, you can contact this application. So here also data tracking, allow analytics. Here you can log out. So let's talk about now about notifications. Here you will receive all your notification about your application here, and right now you will come explore. Here you will explore for recipes. For example, I will explore for something for this. For example, as you see here, I can add it to my favorite, and here on this three line I can share this recipe if I want, and then I will go to shop, and here you will build your plan. If you want, you will just click and you will complete the others step. It's very easy and fast, this application guys. Just try it and you will like it, and you will find how it's easy and fast to use this application. So that's it guys in this video. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. Also, if you have any question, you can write it down in comments, and see you in another video.